these people. Yeah, because I'm an easy target. I'm in Goa. I'm a woman. Easy target. And they have gone on social media because they know I'm an influencer. I have good name. So they know she'll get scared and she'll get thing crawling. And even if she has not taken money, also she has to give from her pocket. So my kitko karo. They don't care, na. This is their motive. Because now they're literally messaging me and laughing on social media and all. They're putting the pictures over there laughing. They're messaging on my husband. They're messaging my husband. It's him. Now you see what we are going to do with him. Why? If you think I'm a culprit, I have done something, you should go legally, na, properly and with proper proof. तुम म्हणताय तुम्ही म्हाका इतले पयशे दिला तितले पयशे दिला हे दिला तिला कित प्रूफ आरे तुकोडे तुका कित प्रूफ आहा. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, very important thing. I was shocked when this girl was talking, this Clancy Pacheco. This girl was asking for commission. This girl has not mentioned in the video that she has asked for commission. If she is so sincere, why she has not mentioned in the commission that yes, I had gone to this agent and I was asking for her commission. This girl told me when she came to me starting, I'll bring you 8 to 10, 20 boys. I want commission. And then I told her, Baba, I'm not doing anything. You go to this person and talk to the person. And she told this agent also it's same. That I will bring you so and so boys. You give me commission. And their commission was done already. That Clancy was supposed to get particular amount. Not been called. The agent has not been called. They have written a complaint in Kulwa police station few days back. I spoke to PI. I told him my side of story, and my husband, my brother is a brain tumor patient, so he's in Bangalore going for treatment. And recently my mother-in-law was attacked in Davoli. One case happened, attempt to murder. So she's in GMC. So I have been doing up and down. Again I have to travel to Bangalore now. And now we have to take her to also Bangalore. So I have been messaging them, but just wait, just give me little time. I'm going through financial issues. But these people didn't care at all. And this main agent Saurabh was not involved at all. Not at all. Even though they were talking to him, they contacted him behind my back. They had done all the money deals, everything with him, but they did not mention his name. Is it target at sir? Inga ha goya ha. Mak was pa sodu gaur sodu masangu.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.